In this video, we'll learn how to make a new project in Premiere Pro. Before I get started in Premiere, I'm going to make a new folder to house my project file itself, as well as any of the media files that I'll be importing into my project. And that would include things like audio files, video files, or images. So I'll go ahead and create a new folder, and I'll title this New Project. And here I have two audio files that I'd like to use in my project. So I'll move those into my new project folder. It's important to keep all the files in the same place, since Premiere won't actually save these media files inside of its project file. It just stores a reference or a link to them. And if any of our media files get moved around accidentally, our Premiere project might not work anymore. Now let's jump to Premiere, and we'll click File, New, Project from the menu bar. Here I'll set a name for my project, and I'll call this My New Project. Then to set a location, I'll go ahead and click Browse and search for that new project folder that I just created. Again, notice that folder contains the media files that I'm planning to use inside of this project. So my project file will save right alongside them, everything in one big folder. I'll go ahead and click Choose to select that location, and all the other new project settings I can just leave on the default. I'll go ahead and click OK, and here's my new project. Now, of course, since I haven't imported any media files or made any sequences or edits, all my panels are blank. And if I jump back to that new project folder, I can see I've got my Premiere Pro project file, which has the extension PRPROJ, as well as my two audio files. So at this point, all my files are in the right place, and I'm ready to start importing media and making some basic edits. We'll cover that in another video. Okay, that's an overview of how to make a new project file in Premiere Pro.